Ghana is the #1 gold producer in Africa, 6th in the world, and second most preferred mining destination for investments in Africa. Ghana has been mining over 150 years, but the situation is that we have not benefited from mining compared to other countries in the global spectrum. So the government of Ghana in this vein has set up the Minerals Income Investment Fund, a specialty sovereign wealth fund dealing mostly with minerals. The whole idea is to develop ways and means in which Ghana can benefit from the entire value delivery system of mining. And Ghana value from mining, as we've seen in countries like South Africa, Canada, Australia, China, etc. The main things that we do at MIF are essentially two things. First, we are responsible for all the royalties that come to the government through every single mineral type. We gather all the royalties and re-inject into the mining space as investment. The other bit has to do with the management of Government of Ghana's equity interest in mining companies. By January 2024, MIF should be a $1 billion mineral sovereign wealth fund. By 2030, we should be hitting about $6 billion to $8 billion as a fund. This will allow us to even add more value to the mining sector in Ghana. Looking at 28 mineral ties by 2030, which would mean that Ghana will become a significant player and focal point for investment in Africa when it comes to mining. At MIF, we are prepared to support investors coming into Ghana as co-investors across the value chain of all these minerals. We invested about $40 million in Asante Gold Corporation, listed on the Canadian, German Stock Exchange, and now Ghana Stock Exchange. We're investing $30 million in salt. And salt has 14,000 uses. Ghana is looking at how we are able to invest in this to expand the value chain of salt usage. We're looking at pharmaceuticals, bicarbonate soda, food preservation, textiles, and aluminum casings. And we are investing in Electrochem. Electrochem is managing a 41,000-acre Adar Songo space. The biggest salt production company in sub-Saharan Africa, Walvis Bay in Namibia. Bay is about 16,700 acres of salt. And we have in Ghana, at a potential of 99.9% industrial salt or purity, is 41,000 acres. That is more than twice the size of the Walvis Bay. And Ghana is positioning itself as the #1 salt producer in sub-Saharan Africa. There's the potential of Ghana making about $1 billion every year from salt alone. We are investing over $35 million in the lithium space in Ghana. The recently discovered lithium finds in Central Region is called the Ewoyaa Project by Atlantic Lithium. This project should come on stream by December 2024 and is in the top 10 lithium finds in the world. There are a number of opportunities in the newly discovered lithium space in Ghana. Feldspar is a byproduct of lithium. Feldspar is used to produce ceramics. Ghana is a major exporter of ceramic products. This provides good opportunities for investors, not only in Ghana, but outside Ghana. MIF is positioning itself to invest in the processing of lithium in Ghana and support investors that will be setting up battery ion factories in the lithium space. Ghana, to a very large extent, is placing a lot of emphasis on sustainable mining and ESG. Ghana has signed up to the Minamata Convention on Zero Mercury Use. Ghana has also developed the Energy Transition Framework, meant to work on the decarbonization of the sector between 2022 and 2070. We at MIF developed an ESG framework, ensuring that our investment is pivoted on ESG. MIF is supporting brilliant but needy women in mining communities to give them full scholarships, both on postgraduate and undergrad at the University of Mines and Technology. We're looking at 400 women a year throughout Ghana from the mining communities who seek to study engineering or any other mining course. And this is extremely important because of the gender disparity in mining in Ghana. Small-scale mining contributes up to 40% of Ghana's total gold output. That's about $2.4 billion every year. MIF is seeking to develop this sector through a formalization program called the Small Scale Mining Incubation Program in 4 main avenues. Provision of working capital in the form of equity injection, the support in corporate governance and environmental sustainable mining practices, access to market through the MIF Gold Trade Desk, and traceability mechanisms that ensures that we all know where the gold is coming from. We've made an initial investment of 30 million as pilot supporting 10 small-scale mining companies. We are looking at about 200 in the next 10 years. This is going to be the most revolutionary investment in the artisanal mining sector globally. Definitely the best we'll see in Africa.